Good morning, student. Welcome here in your social science class. Student, today we will revise our chapter number 3 from Civic, how the state government works. So, student, introduction. As all of you know that last year we discussed the fact that government works at 3 levels. All of you know about it. How many levels? Yes. Government works at 3 levels: local, state and national. Okay, after this, which are the things we will revise in this chapter? So first, what is the work of the government at the state level? Okay, at which level? State level. How does this take place in a democracy? Then what is the role of a member of the legislative assembly? Then how do people express their views or demand action from government? These points we will discuss here in this video. Now let's start. As you can see here in this picture also, here the two girls, one girl and two girls, they both are reading a newspaper in a library. So one girl said that, oh, there is a water shortage. Okay, look at here in our state and people are falling sick. Then the next one, yes, in many village people were found to be drinking unclean water. Streams also have dried up and so have tanks in the worst affected areas. Villagers have been carrying water across great distance. So these both two girls are discussing the problem of water. Okay, shortage of water, unclean drinking water, and streams have dried up and so have tanks, and worst affected areas, and villages also have been carrying water across great distance. So even people also, here the report also given, people at the district, and which district? Patalpuram. Okay, receive water supply once in 3 days. Just student look at वाटर सप्लाई 3 दिन में एक बार पानी आता है बेटा वहाँ. एंड द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हियर इज ओवरफ्लोइंग with patient. So due to the impurity of water, due to the unclean drinking water, what the problem arise? Yes, level of patients overflowing, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. Okay, water disease, diarrhea, unclean drinking water. So student, after this, okay, after this story, so who is responsible to solve all these problems? Okay, we have discussed problem in Patalpuram district, water shortage. Okay, so unclean water, streams and tanks have dried up. So who is responsible to solve all these problems? Yes, MLA. Okay, who? MLA. So here first you must know the meaning of the MLA. Now let's look here. Member of Legislative Assembly. So what is the full form of, first of all, MLA? Member of Legislative Assembly. Okay, so members of Legislative Assembly, MLAs are elected by whom? MLAs are elected by the people. Okay, so then they become members of the Legislative Assembly and also form the government. Okay, what they form? Yes, they form the government. Every 5 years election is announced for State Legislative Assembly. How many years? After 5 years? Okay, sorry, every 5 years. ओके, इलेक्शन कितने जो आपका स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के लिए इलेक्शन होते हैं वो आपके एवरी 5 years में होते हैं. Political party nominate their people for each constituency. Here the word come constituency. Student, I will explain this also. What do you understand by constituency? First, let me complete. All members of the Legislative Assembly are elected on the basis of adult franchisee. Again the word come adult franchisee. It means to elect our representative or to give the vote. Okay, at the age of 18 or above 18. जो आपके एडल्ट होते हैं वो आपके क्या चूज करते हैं? रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चूज करते हैं. ओके, हम ही अपने पीपल इलेक्टेड. वी चूज आवर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थ्रू, ओके, विच वन? थ्रू वोट. वी आर द वोटर्स. ओके, एट विच एज? यस, 18 or above 18, and one member is elected from one constituency. Here the again good question come here. How many members is elected from every constituency? Yes, one member from one constituency. So now you got it. A member of Legislative Assembly, MLA, is a representative elected by the voter, yes, of an electoral district constituency to the legislature of a state in the Indian system of government. Okay, you must know about the age limit also. To be member of the Legislative Assembly, a person must be a citizen of India. First, वो एक citizen of India होना चाहिए. Okay, must be at least 25 years of age and must have such other qualification as may be prescribed by the president. Now the question come here, what do you understand by constituency? Okay, so student, let's look at here. First of all, you must know about your India state. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. So every state is divided into small areas. कोई भी state है, you can take an example of even your state also, Uttarakhand also. Even as you all, if you know about Uttarakhand, how many districts? 13 districts. So every state is divided into small areas. जैसे मान लीजिए, it is your state and it is divided into small areas. Okay, and these, yes, which are called constituency, which is a specific area covering one or more district. It may be cover one or more district. Each such as constituency has an elected representative who is a member of the Legislative Assembly. As you all, if you know that from one constituency, how many member? Yes, one member it can be come. Okay, now just example also. Through this example you can more easily understand the meaning of the constituency. Okay, here as you can see in this picture, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Uttarakhand. So first we will talk about the as you all if you know that it shows Himachal Pradesh. Okay, what it shows? Yes, Himachal Pradesh also. And how many constituency? Yes, 68 assembly constituency. Okay, so the state Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituency. From each constituency, the people elect one representative who then became a member of the Legislative Assembly. It means MLA. So student, you would have noticed that people stand for election in the different name of parties. Okay, so many times you have seen in the banners also, even news channels also, in newspaper also. So they use lots of things to promote their party. These MLAs therefore belong to the different political parties. Just take another examples also. If you take an example of constituency in Tamil Nadu. So in Himachal Pradesh, how many constituency? It is divided. Yes, Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituency. And what about the Tamil Nadu? This is another example. Okay, how many? 39. How many? 39. Okay, can you tell me what about your state? Yes, how many? Can you tell me? Yes, if we talk about the Uttarakhand, 70 constituency. How many constituency? 70. Got it? Now the student, let's come here. Three, as you can see here, some terms. Majority or ruling party. Okay, both are same. And opposition. So, a political party whose MLA have won. Okay, whose MLA? A political party. Okay, a political party whose MLA have won more than half the number of the constituency is a state can be said to a majority. Okay, so a political party that has the majority is called the ruling party. Okay, जो पार्टी के ज़्यादा MLAs होते हैं, ओके जैसे हाफ ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है, उसमें से जिस पार्टी के ज्यादा एमएलए होंगे इट इज नोन एज द विच पार्टी? रूलिंग पार्टी और मेजॉरिटी. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द अदर्स? यस, द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी दैट हैज द मेजॉरिटी इज द रूलिंग पार्टी. गॉट इट? एंड ऑल अदर मेंबर्स आर कॉल्ड द अपोजिशन. ओके, बट यस, ऑल अदर मेंबर्स आर द अपोजिशन. Here as you can see, the political party, got it all of you? Majority, okay, that has the majority is called the ruling party and all other members are called the opposition. After the election, student, okay, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader, who will become the chief minister. Okay, so who will become the chief minister? After the election, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader. जो आपकी ruling party, जो आपकी majority party आई है, वो अपने MLAs में से एक leader select करेगी, and this is known as chief minister. Okay, the chief minister and other minister, if we talk about the chief minister and other minister have the responsibility of the running various government department of ministries. Got it? Whose responsibility? Chief minister and other minister have the responsibility of ruling various government department of minister. They have separate offices, student, just like a legislative assembly. Here, as you can see in this picture also, a legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from the opposition, both side. ऐसा नहीं है कि legislative assembly में आपका सिर्फ ruling party जाएंगे, नहीं बेटा. जो आपका legislative assembly है, it is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party, from the opposition, meet to discuss various things. Hence, some MLAs have dual responsibility. Why? Yes, because once as an MLA and other as a minister. Okay. Now we will talk about the working of the government. Student, just listen. In a democracy, there are various ways. Okay, as you all if you know that India is a democratic country, and we can express and we can give our opinion also. So, in a democracy, there are various ways through which people express their views and also have taken. Okay, so many ways, just like newspaper, TV channel, and other organization regularly talking about the government. So, let us look at one such way. Soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by whom? Organized by the health minister. Okay, organized by the health minister. So, soon after, here as you can see, first of all, large number of people from different newspapers were present. Okay, from different newspaper people present. The minister and some government official were also present. Some of the minister है बेटा वहाँ थे present, or some other government official. The minister explained the step the government had taken. So which thing minister had explained? So the minister explained the step the government had taken. Okay, and reporters asked many questions at the meeting, and these discussions were then reported in different newspapers. So look at here. During the next week, the chief minister and the minister. Okay, as you all of you know that. So who? Yes, one incident. Okay, you can say that following is one such report of newspaper. So here, as you can see. Okay, so during the next week, the chief minister and the minister for health visited Patalpuram district. Where? Yes, visited Patalpuram district. So they went to visit the families. Which families they went to visit? They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives. Okay, जिन्होंने अपने relatives lost किए हैं, and visited people in the hospital. Now, what the government announced? The government announced a compensation for these families. Of which families? Yes, who had lost their relatives. Okay, so that's why government announced a compensation for them. The chief minister said that a high level inquiry, here the chief minister promised the people, okay, who lost their relative, that high level inquiry committee will be asked. कि हम एक हाई लेवल कमेटी बिठाएंगे, हाई लेवल इंक्वायरी कमेटी, और वो आस्क करेगी कि नीड ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट टू प्रोवाइड sanitation facilities. Which thing? Yes, into the need of the district to provide sanitation facilities, and would request the minister for public work to take care of the need of proper water supply in the region. Okay, as you all of you know that Patalpuram district, I have already told you how many times. Yes, तीन दिन में कितनी बार वाटर आता है वहाँ? 1. Okay, so Patalpuram district received water supply once in 3 days, and the district hospital, as you all of you know that, overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. So all these, to solve all these problems, the chief minister promised to the people that they will they will what thing, yes, high level inquiry committee, and that committee will be asked into the need of the district of Patalpura, and they also provide sanitation facilities and would request the Minister for Public Work to take care of the need of proper water supply also. After the student, so as you saw above, the people in power like Chief Minister and the Minister have to take decision. All of you know about who have to take the decision, Chief Minister and the Minister. So they do so through various department, various department, just like the Public Work Department, which is, yes, जैसे आपका हो गया the Public Work Department, then the Agriculture Department, which one, yes, the Agriculture Department, then the Health Department, which is, yes, the Health Department, then the Education Department, and so on. So these are the department, the Public Work Department, then the Agriculture Department, then the Health Department, and the Education Department, and so on. So they also have to answer questions that are asked in the legislative assembly. ऐसा नहीं है कि रूलिंग पार्टी बेटा बन गई तो वो अपनी आर्बिट्रेटरी रूल फॉलो करेंगे, अपनी मर्जी के हिसाब से करेंगे. नो, दे हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस आल्सो दैट आर आस्क्ड इन द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली एंड कन्विंस पीपल आल्सो. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि आंसर दियो और इनफ. No, they have to convince the people also, asking the question that proper steps are being taken. Yes, they have to give the proper answer with the which thing they have to tell that the proper steps are being taken. At the same time, okay, newspaper and the media widely discuss the issue, okay, and the government has to respond. Same time, media and newspaper and all, वो भी बेटा they can ask the question also, they can discuss the issue also, they can discuss the problem also, they can discuss the situation facing the citizen, and government has to respond. It's government duty कि उसको respond देना ही देना होगा. For example, by holding the press conference. Okay. After this, the government, here as you can see, the government can also decide to make new laws. So आपको पता है कि new laws बनते हैं for to run the government. Okay, so the government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facility. Which thing? Yes, regarding sanitation and health facility beta. Example here as you can see, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporation. Compulsory for whom? Yes, compulsory for the municipal corporation to ensure that. अब municipal corporation की क्या responsibility आती है? If we talk about the urban area, so government, okay, government जो करेगी किसके लिए? For what? Municipal corporation को ensure करेगी there are adequate toilet in the every urban area. Okay, as well, if you know about, if you talk about the urban area, okay, so which one? Yes, ensure that there are adequate toilet in the urban area. Then it may also ensure that other things also. Okay, if you talk about the village, so it may also ensure that a health worker is appointed. Who? Yes, health worker is appointed in every village. Okay, if we then this act of making laws or certain issue, जैसे आपका as we have discussed, okay, it may be make it compulsory for municipal corporation to ensure that there are adequate toilet in the every urban areas. So who? Yes, government can also decide to make laws, okay, regarding which thing? For the state, okay, sanitation and health facilities. So the next one, it may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village also. And this act of making law on a certain issue is done in the legislative assembly of each state. Where? Yes, legislative assembly in each state. So student, is it clear for everyone? Today I have uploaded worksheet also. So you have to do all these questions. Okay, just like choose the correct option. Let's look at the first one. Who is the what is the full form of MLA? This one is very easy. Can you tell me? Yes. What? Member of Legislative Assembly. Now the next question, a political parties whose MLA have won more than half the number of the constituency in a state can be said to be in a which one? Majority, minority, opposition, or all of these? Yes, the answer is majority. So student, you have to do all the rest of the question yourself. So student, I hope you will upload your worksheet on time also and watch the video student. Most of the student you are not watching your videos, but then chapter कैसे समझ आएगा आपको? And watch the video and upload your answer, upload your worksheet, upload your submit, okay, on Ersal. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.